Morning crew, welcome to another season of hunting trout throughout New Zealand. I'm in the backcountry at the moment, been stuck in a hut yesterday. Probably going to have to head back there again today because the rain's supposed to come in and be quite bad today. And then for the rest of the 2 or 3 days that I'm here, the weather's still iffy, but it's going to be showers, not consistent rain. But the river was just a slate grey yesterday, and so I'm going to go and have a look at it now, see if it's cleared enough to even just have a cast here and there. Hey, it is what it is. It's great to be here anyway, and you know, not a bad area to be wandering around in, even if that's all I'm doing. So yeah, anyhow, let's hope we can get into a fish before the week's out, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Oh, this is normally dry track, so I'd say if that is back up from the river, wow, it is high. Yes, I can hear it. So I don't like my... It's got a bit of colour to it. There's a little... The river's running high against a bank over here, running in just over here. It's a bit of a clear backwatery type thing, so I'm going to have a look in there and see if anything's taken shelter in there. Okay, there's a brown in this backwater here. See if I can get one in front of him. Oh! Yep, there he goes. Good stuff. We've got to keep him out of the fast water though. We'll keep him in this backwater. Oh wow, and you can see how dirty the river is there. Oh, that was excellent. That was excellent. Great stuff. Yeah, just cruising around in there. For some reason this valley, whenever there's backwaters and things like that, they don't generally hang around in them. But that one there, yeah, lovely looking fish, not bad size. Oh well, that's awesome. That's awesome. I was worried I wouldn't even have a chance at a fish, just the way the rivers are. Could be a little thin, which is understandable, but hey, we're in. We've got him. Oh, that's a thumper, 6.5 pound. Wow. Let's have a look at him. Obviously he's done some hard work, that guy. Well, that's a fantastic fish. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Okay, mate, let's go. Thank you. There you go. Oh. There he goes. So, as you can see, the water's quite cloudy, but that's a little bit of clear water here. Just saw him swimming up in there. A little bit of flow over there. Awesome stuff. Fortunately, it's still just a little bit milky to see very good, but if I find some calmer water, a bit shallower, I might have the odd blind cast. But the rain looks like it's on its way too. And normally I'd go straight across here. I'm standing in the water already, and I'd go straight across there. So yeah, she's pretty high. Well, the next section of water that I could fish, with the river being so high, is probably an hour's walk, so I'm gonna head back to the hut anyway. It looks like the rain's heading this way now, so probably a good idea that I do head that way if it is going to be as heavy as what was forecast. But hey, 6.5 pound, and I've only been fishing for what, three-quarters of an hour. That's not bad going. So I'm not going to be skunked this trip now, so anything else from now on's a bonus. So let's see what the rest of the week brings. Okay, morning crew. So it's been a couple of days since I caught that last fish, and it was reasonable weather yesterday, so I humped it upstream and managed to find a campsite. And now my plan is I'm going to walk downstream. I'm going to have to dive back onto the track because obviously I won't be able to cross the river, so I'm going to be fishing one side of the river. So I'll get down there. Alright, I'm about to start fishing now, turn back upstream. There's a few mayflies in the air too, so it'd be nice to get one off the top, but visibility's not bad. There's lots and lots of different streams and braids to go up, so I'll just go up the ones I can and see how we go. Just missed the take, bugger, that was in this backwater. I'd lost sight of him, and then, whoop. And then I thought, oh, that might be him right at the tail, and it was. It's actually a little brownie. I thought it was a bow. There we go. Lovely little fish. Lovely small, fat fish. Oh, it's probably 2.5 pound. 2.5. I thought he was a rainbow, but it's a little brownie. Beautiful. Thank you, my dear. We're on the board. There's a fish up here. I don't know if I'll be able to cast to him though. Difficult spot. But he's just up off the point there. Yep, got him. Oh, and the hook's pulled. Ah, below. I'm in again. That was the fish I was casting to up here. A few nymph changes. Oh, he's all wrapped up. And I'm wrapped up. Oh, and I was just going to try and get him into here, and the hook's pulled. Ah, blow. I've just had me lunch. I'm up in the hills above the river now. Can't cross, so back up in the hills, but yeah, only seen 3 fish today. Hooked all 3. Only and I'm having camera issues again today. It'll record for a few seconds or 30 seconds and then just put the nymph up quite high. It might have been a bit deep. Yep, got him that time. Big nymph is what he wanted. Whoa, come this way though. I've got to hold him this side. He can't go down those rapids. Oh, friggin' heck. Ah, well, that was the first decent fish I've seen all day, and I think I might have been able to get him, but I sort of tripped on a big rock here, and as I sort of tripped and got my balance, I jerked the rod, and I think that's what snapped him off. But yeah, that was a good fish. He was a big fish, but nearly back at the camp, so hopefully I can find another one before then. Morning all. This is the second and last day here. So after being stuck in the hut for two days and then walking up the river, which was unfishable, yesterday was the first fishable day. And so what happened yesterday was I saw 4 fish, hooked them all, and had one bust me off, two the hook pulled, and landed one. So normally I would be fishing from the camp up, but the river's way too high still, so I'm going to go over a gorge and start fishing the other side of the gorge. But there's not that many spots this side of the river to fish. The better fishing water's always on the other side of the river, typical. So whether I'll be able to cross it or not remains to be seen. We can't take any risks this far up in the middle of nowhere. I found a fish up here. Yes! First cast, great. Now comes the fun part though, stopping him. Oh, he's a good fish too. Honking good. Oh, look at the odds. No, it's pulled. Well, I've been on that fish for a while now. I just cannot get under this branch here, and I've been bow and arrow casting him, but might have to leave him. Looks like a big bow. Come on. This is the problem with high water, so it's really high. I can't get in the water there. And look, just down here, hopefully he won't spook, just above that stick there, look at him. He's a good brownie. I mean, I could have a crack at him, but if he goes downstream, no way of landing. Oh, he's a good fish though. Good, dragging. Some bait. Yep, got it. Good stuff. Great work. I'll keep him up here if I could, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to. It's a reasonable fish, I think. So I might just, whoa, I was going to say I might just play him here for a bit. Oh well, got him. Sorry I didn't get the netting, just that water is just so hard to control. Oh well, after that first one dropping the hook and seeing a few others that just I couldn't get a cast to, and if I had they would just would have busted them off. Just wouldn't have been able to chase them. Finally found a section of river where I had a fighting chance, and this guy's taking me downstream probably 200 or 300 metres, a long way down, but cracking 5-pounder. Beautiful fish. Jumper. There he goes. Oh. There you go. There was one in there. I haven't seen it yet. I don't know if it's a big fish or what. Oh no, we're in trouble. I'll have to side strain him and pull him over if we're going to have any chance. Oh, it's alright. Oh, going to have any chance of getting this one. Just while he's in that pocket, I don't want him to beat himself up on the stones too much. Oh, there we go. Yes. Oh, that was a bit of good luck more than anything. Oh, he's a cracker. Good fish. Oh, that's all right. 4.5 pound. pretty happy to land him just now as the rain comes in. There he is, very green. I've got him in so closely, so quickly. Beautiful. There he goes. Not sure if I found the fish. Oh, might have been. I might have just scooped it. Okay. Might have fed. See what happens here. I think I'll be too close to the shore. I just need to get it out of smidgen. There it goes. Yes. Oh, I'm pretty pleased about that. I haven't seen a fish for a long time, and I'm going to have to turn back. I'm way past where I normally camp. Oh yeah, he's a good fish, all right. I don't want him to go down those rapids. Hopefully he doesn't want to go down those rapids either. And keep him in this pool, I'll be pretty happy. Ooh. Walking back. See if I can pull him up across this grass here. Here we go. Yes. Oh. Oh. Thankfully that worked. Oh, get in there. Whew, yeah. Oh, that's a cracker. Ah. Well, I'm really happy to get him. 6.5 pound. Beautiful old brute of a fish. There he is. Look at that. Stunner. Just stunning. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Another one. Just blind fishing this ahead of this run. Okay, another cracking fish. Oh yeah, oh yes, lovely fish. Okay, good brown, good brown. I think what I'm going to do is just try and slide this one up on the soft grassy stuff here. Oh no, oh, it was worth a shot. It's a good fish. We'll have a shot here, see how we go. Right. Oh, another beautiful brownie. 6 pound even this one. But, oh wow. Look at that. That's just an amazing fish. Made all this hard work and well and truly worthwhile. Beautiful. I had a look in this pool yesterday, didn't see anything. It was a bit cloudy yesterday, but I found one right up in the eye today, moving around heaps, so we'll have a cast, see if we can get him. Oh, he was up near the surface then. Oh, there he goes. Yep. Good stuff. Good stuff. It's fighting well. Oh, that would have been my opportunity. Come on, my dear. Can I have a quick look at you? Yes. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh well, how's that? I'm probably K off the campsite, I suppose, half a K. And yeah, like I say, I looked in this pool yesterday, didn't see anything in it. Today, this guy here was hard out in the eye, feeding hard, 5.5 pound. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Stunning, fat, healthy, beautiful. Just a superb fish. Not much wrong with that. Just stunning. Look at those spots on his back. Okay, my dear, away you go. I'll try this, a small double bead head, see if I can get it right down to him. Oh, there he goes. Yep. Got him. Good stuff. And this is the problem I have, I can't chase them. I'll see if I can get some line on him, bring him back. That's a good fish. That's a big fish, that is. Fish has been fighting extremely hard, extremely well. I really hope I've nearly got him beat here. Fish, that one. Every time I think I've got him ready for the net, I'm going to bring him down to the tail, get him on the shallower stuff here so he can't use his motor so much. Yeah. Oh, that's a big fish, that is. That's a big girl, that one. That's fish of the trip. That's a horse of a fish. What I did was I got back to campsite and thought, oh, I might just go downstream a little bit, and since the water's cleared and dropped, and see if I can see something. And in the deep stuff on a high bank, this guy, 7 pound. Look at him. He's a thumper. Oh yeah, fantastic, beautiful. Boy, he brought me about 300 or 400 meters downstream, I suppose. Oh wow, what a way to finish the day. So that's 6 fish. Wow, pretty good in the end. Happy with that. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to camp now. I'm knackered. That's the end of it. Got to walk out tomorrow, but I might have a look in the river on the way out. Who knows? Might see something. Well, I just tramped out about maybe another 5 or 10 k's to go, but I'm away from the river now. Didn't see any more coming out today. The river's still pretty high, but yeah, to get those 6 cracking fish yesterday, and then the other couple of days, and it was pretty tough. It was a shame couldn't fish for probably 3 days, but them's the breaks. Yeah, so yeah, until next time, we'll hopefully get into a few more, and the rivers will be lower and clearer, and the fish will be active, and there'll be a bit more to show you. So cheers for checking in, crew. We'll catch you later.